We live in a world that ticks at 1,000 different speeds at once, a relentless chorus of deadlines, notifications, and what-ifs. But in a small valley town, one master understood the logic of the time better than most. This was the archive of Master Kael. His workshop was a monument to ambition, filled with a lifetime of projects, thousands of gears, thousands of seconds, all ticking together in a beautiful, agonizing chaos. But Kael was lost. The more projects he started, the louder the noise became. He tried to fix everything simultaneously, but a system cannot run when every gear demands to be first. The noise in his workshop was matched only by the noise in his mind. Kael knew he had to step away. He understood that a system cannot be repaired from the inside when it is fully operational. He retreated to his garden, seeking the one thing his workshop could not provide: silence. And there, in the quiet, he found it. A single, simple watch, long forgotten. It did not tick. It did not demand his attention. It simply existed. Kael returned to his bench. He ignored the 1,000 other clocks. He did not think about the years of unfinished work. For that day, he had only one protocol: to sync this one single gear. The workshop fell into a profound silence. As he mastered that one focus, the overwhelming noise of the unfinished projects began to fade. Kael had found the logic of incremental progress. Then, a sound, rhythmic, calming, steady. A single clear tick that echoed through the room. The logic was simple. When one gear is perfectly aligned, the system begins to move. Kael had learned that success isn't about doing everything at once. It's about doing one thing perfectly. By syncing his focus, his entire archive had found its rhythm.